me ask you something. How many apps did you open today? Not for fun, for work. One to write something, one to design something, one to edit a video, one to transcribe audio, one to fix a piece of code, one just to figure out what to do next. Now count the passwords. Count the monthly charges quietly hitting your card every month for tools you might use only twice a week. That's not a workflow. That's a leak. A slow, constant leak of your time, your money, and honestly, your focus. Here's the truth nobody in this industry wants to say out loud. You were never supposed to need 10 different AI tools. You were supposed to have one system. Think about the computer sitting in front of you right now. You don't open a different operating system to browse the internet, another to write a document, and another to play music or watch videos. One operating system runs everything. It quietly decides which program handles which job. That's how AI was supposed to work. And that's exactly what we built. It's called OpenAI Studio, the world's first OpenAI operating system that commands the entire OpenAI ecosystem, including latest, previous, and upcoming flagship models, GPT 5.6 Sol, GPT 5.6 Terra, GPT 5.6 Luna, GPT Image 2, GPT Real-Time 2.1, and more inside one dashboard. This is not another single-purpose tool, not one more login to remember, an operating system for AI itself. One dashboard, one place to go. And underneath it, an entire team of specialists, each built to handle a different kind of work, all waiting for a single instruction from you. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Meet the creator who used to spend her entire weekend editing a single video. Now she types one sentence and a finished cinematic clip is waiting for her before her coffee gets cold. Meet the freelancer who used to turn down design work because he wasn't a designer. Now he describes the graphic he needs and it simply appears, a logo, thumbnail, mock-up, or whatever the client asked for. Meet the small agency owner who used to pay a copywriter, a voiceover artist, and a video editor separately every single month just to deliver one campaign. Now that entire campaign, script, visuals, voice, and Final Cut, comes from the same dashboard, the same login, the same single instruction. Different people, different work. The same system underneath it all. Because that's what OpenAI Studio actually is. You don't ask, which tool do I need for this? You simply say what you want in any language, and your request quietly routes itself to video, voice, design, code, research, or whichever specialized agent is best suited to deliver exactly what you need. Cinematic videos without a camera, human-sounding voiceovers without a studio, scroll-stopping graphics without a single degree, a digital presenter for your brand without hiring an actor, sales copy that actually converts without a copywriter on retainer, a working website or script without a developer on payroll, transcripts, proofreading, research, and spreadsheets solved the moment you ask, and more. Not 11 tools, one system, one instruction, one result. And here's what changes the moment you start working this way. You stop thinking in terms of software, you start thinking in terms of outcomes. You stop asking, what can this tool do? You start asking, what do I want to exist? And then you simply build it. That shift is worth more than any single feature on this page. Because the moment you stop managing tools, you get your time back. The time to take on more clients. The time to launch the channel you've been putting off. The time to finally build the thing you've been talking about for the past year instead of just thinking about it. And there's something else worth saying plainly. Everything you create here comes with full commercial rights, which means this isn't just a workplace, it's a business you can run from a single login. Video production for local businesses, copywriting for clients, design work on the side, and more. A monthly retainer built entirely on work you deliver from one dashboard at a fraction of what it would cost to hire a team to do the same work. And as OpenAI itself keeps advancing with new latest models, new capabilities, and things that don't even exist yet, none of that shows up as a separate purchase. It simply appears inside your dashboard the next time you log in. Because you're not renting a feature, you're securing a place inside a system that keeps growing with you. So here's the real question. Are you going to keep paying for 10 discounted pieces of a puzzle that should have been one complete picture from the start? Or are you going to close every one of those tabs, log into one system, and just start building? Because the people pulling ahead right now aren't the ones with the most software installed. They're the ones who stopped juggling tools and started commanding one system instead. This is your access point. Click below, log in once, type your first request, and watch what happens when an entire team of AI specialists finally reports to you. Get started with OpenAI Studio now. And to make this decision completely risk-free, your access is protected by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You get an entire month to explore OpenAI Studio, experience the system, and see if it fits your goals. If it doesn't, you can request a refund. No stress, no pressure, which means the real risk isn't trying this. The real risk is staying where you are while this shift happens without you. Because in this new world, the fastest creators don't just win, they get paid. Click the button below, secure your copy of OpenAI Studio today, and turn one click into limitless creation and profit before this one-time offer disappears forever. We'll see you inside.